Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a short but exciting vlog for you guys today. I'm starting work on my new studio. I'm excited to transform this space so that I no longer have to use my illustration board desk here to keep my laptop from overheating, but rather instead I'll get to completely rearrange this room. I'm going to actually lose one of the beds. My brother is going to take one of those. And then I had a couple other ideas that I wanted to share with you guys for how I could transform this room. The first and main thing that I want to do is maximize space. So I'm going to push my twin bed up against the wall. Again, my brother's taking this one. And then I wanted to save space on the dressers. So I actually took out a tape measure and measured the dimensions of each of these dressers. And so they actually will fit inside the closet here. So if I take out this shelving thing here, then I should have space that they'll only come to about here and be about the same height. So that way I don't need this dresser or that dresser. And then all the things that are in here would totally fit in these dressers because as of right now, they're just completely empty. So then that will leave all of this space open so that I can put my desk here. All levitating camera hacks aside, the final thing I would want to do is set up two backdrops for my studio. One for behind where the desk would go, and the other for a futon or small couch that I could set up for a talking head segment. But yeah, that just about sums up this space. I'm super excited to get working on it. We'll probably throw some new paint on the walls, maybe change up the sheets, get all sorts of new decorations in here, start styling the studio the way I want it to be. One last update for you guys in this short vlog is I'm going to start a beginner series for photography, how to understand like shooting in manual mode on your camera. I've had quite a lot of people ask me how to use a camera, how do you get started with it, and I figured I might want to start making a whole bunch of those videos to help you guys out, bring you guys up to speed on how to create some of the stuff that I do. Press like if you guys enjoyed the video, or if you're excited to see some of the things upcoming. Consider subscribing so that you can see the videos that I release next, and you can hit the bell so you get notified whenever these new update videos and beginner tutorials go live. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I will see you guys real soon. Peace.